My pretty girl. You still working on teeth? Huh? Are you still working on teeth? And now she's got it in her mouth. Took her a while to get there.
What about baby food? Did you buy?
When we go, I will walk.
You walk?
Take her for a walk, maybe bundle her up.
Because I think that Oksana will come and she will take you to the bank on the way, and maybe I'll ask her if you have time, we'll stop somewhere in the mall and buy something.
Okay, that market.
Yes.
You like that?
Yes.
Big word.
Yes. Are you a dancer? Are you a dancer? Yeah.
Hey, see? Happy, healthy
You
monster.
gonna talk to us some more?
Cookie Monster.
You haven't been talking to us on this visit.
Look at Cookie Monster.
She probably knows a lot of Russian by now, or at least understands it.
You like that?
Yeah.
You like that? Okay, press the button. Press the button.
Hey, Nargiza.
She likes the music.
That's you. You like that? You like that? Turn the page. Yes, big bird. Press the button over here.
Now that I showed you how to put that in your mouth, I may never get it back out, huh? Yeah, she must still be working on some teeth. Are you still working on some teeth? Are you?
Cookie Monster. That's Cookie Monster.
Is that teeth are a good idea, huh?
You like that? You like that? Turn it over here. There you go. That's Elmo. Right here. Press here.
She's walking pretty good. That's amazing.
She says, right back up again. You're right back up again. That's okay. Mama likes holding you. I wonder what time her nap time is, if she's still a ways away. Man, you're such a big girl now. Such a big girl. You want to try holding her again?